Hey guys, so today we're talking about solving logarithmic equations. So we're going to start with a couple of examples. The first one is this one. We have natural log of x plus a natural log of 3x minus 5 should equal a natural log of 2. So the way you want to think about this problem is you want to try to use your logarithm properties as much as you can. So right now I notice that I'm adding two natural logs. So what I'm going to do is when I see an addition between between logarithms, I can multiply the values inside the logarithms. So we're going to treat this as natural log of, multiply properly, natural log of 3x squared minus a 5x should equal natural log of 2. And the reason why we do this is natural log of some value on the left side should equal natural log of a value on the right side. So because the natural logs have to be, the left side and the right side equal each other, that means that the values inside of the logarithm should also equal each other. So if we understand that, notice that since because we have natural log on both sides, we can just kind of ignore it and really focus in on the values, because the values inside the logarithms are what's going to make this statement true. So once we have that, we can see that this is just a nice little quadratic that we should be comfortable solving. So that's really a 3x squared minus a 5x minus a 2 should equal 0. That's a terrible 0. I apologize. Equals 0. So once you have that, we need to solve this. You can use quadratic formula. You can do factoring. I'm going to factor because I think I figured it out already. Equals that. So we're going to have a 3x and an x. I need a negative 5. So that should be a negative 2 in here. That should be a plus 1. Yeah, and that'll give me what I want. So that means that my values of x should be a negative 1/3 or a positive 2. And I'm done, right? Now, because logarithms have special restrictions on their domain, right? The domain for a logarithm is x values greater than 0, aka whatever's inside my logarithm has to be within my domain. That does not mean that I'm only going to choose the positive answer. You have to make sure that you take your answers, you plug them in, and you actually get natural log of something positive. So let's change colors. Let's say blue again. So natural log of negative 1/3. Nope, that's out. That doesn't work. That gives me an invalid argument because, again, that can't be true. All right. So now we're going to take that and we're going to replace it with the other possible answer that we found. It could be 2. Natural log of 2, that's okay. Natural log of that, let's double check. So we got natural log of 2 plus natural log of 6 minus 5. That one checks out. So we're going to say this. We're going to say that the negative answer when x is equal to 1/3 is an extraneous solution. And we're going to say that the only real answer we get is x equals positive 2. All right. So extraneous all right.